Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now in this video, we'll be talking about a private bank which has posted exceptional results with a 67.81% jump in net profit year on year and also an improvement in asset quality. Now friends, if you have not already become a member on Profit and Equities, please click on the blue join button below and follow the steps to do so. This will entitle you to member-only privileges on Profit and Equities. Also, if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button below. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Bandhan Bank Limited, which is available at Rs 624.70 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is BANDHANBNK. Now Bandhan Bank Limited is a commercial bank which offers a variety of asset and liability products and services designed for micro banking and general banking. This is also involved with other banking products and services. Its asset products consist of retail loans, including a substantial portfolio of micro loans, as well as micro, small and medium enterprise loans and also small enterprise loans. Its liability products consist of savings accounts, current accounts and a variety of fixed deposit accounts. Now Bandhan Bank on Thursday posted 67.81% year-on-year rise in net profit at Rs 650.87 crores for the quarter ended March 31, 2019 on a rise in exceptional gains. It had posted Rs 387.86 crores profit for the corresponding quarter last year. Exceptional gains jumped 68.13% year-on-year to Rs 999.92 crores in Q4 FY19 from Rs 594.72 crores in Q4 FY18. Asset quality of the private sector lender improved as the percentage of gross non-performing assets eased to 2.04% from 2.41% in the December quarter. Percentage of net NPA declined to 0.58% from 0.70% quarter-on-quarter. Provisions, however, increased 96.52% year-on-year to Rs 735 crores from Rs 374 crores. Net interest income for the quarter also increased 45.60% to Rs 1258 crores from Rs 864 crores in the corresponding quarter of last year. Now, if you were to look at the one-year chart, this company has not really done much and is closing the year almost at the same levels that it started it. The company is a large cap with a market capitalization of 74,531.89 crores. The EPS of 14.15 translates into a very expensive price to earnings ratio of 44.15 when compared with the industry PE of 33.48. The price to book ratio of 7.94 is also on the higher side. The company has a dividend yield of 0.16%, whereas the promoter holding is a very strong number and stands at 82.28%. Also, none of the promoters holding is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all of the content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.